Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create custom fields in Asana. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Asana web application, which of course I have done right here. Okay, and then the next thing is I'm going to show you how to create an account on Asana. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch in a browser of your choice. I use Chrome. In your browser, of course, you're going to find the search bar, which is usually at the top corner of the screen. In the search bar, type asana.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Asana. Locate the sign up button and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. Once you're done creating your account, that's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Asana. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to create custom fields in Asana. So the first thing that you need to do is, of course, to create your project. And I have my project, 2 projects. I'm just going to open one, which is community project plan. From here, I'm just going to create custom fields that I can use to monitor the progress of my project. Top right corner, you're going to find a customize button. Click on that. Here is going to see, here's going to take you to this, of course, window. Here it says use fields, and fields are the first things you see. All right, so click on fields and it takes you here. So I've added one: estimated time, actual time, priority, status, and so I'm just gonna, just remove the project. So it doesn't need at the moment. So I have like 4 fields. So priority, status, all of these are like responses from before. So if you want to add a field, all right, a custom field, go ahead and click on add field. Now you have fields that are, of course, recommended, single select, you have multi-select, dates, people, formula, text, recent currency, and number. And then head over to the left corner, you have ready to use fields, which are of course available. Priority, progress, you can select any of this and do a little stress here. And then you have my workspaces, library, and of course create field. So go ahead and create field because you definitely want to create your own field. So let's say my field is, I want to create one, working on it. So field type, of course, you can make it a single select, multi-select, date, and then you have people, text, number, formula. Just gonna make that single select, and then type an option name on it in progress. You can even enter another option, done with. So here you can add to my workspaces field library. You can, of course, notify task collaborators when this field's values change. And of course, only you can edit this field settings. So we toggle of this on. All right, because I don't want my team members to edit it. So add my workspace field, so that's all. And then click on create field. And that's it. Working on it, added successfully. So how can I find my field? Head over to this top corner where you find for the cursor filter, you have sort. I can click on sort, and here you have working on it already. Okay, so that's it. Working on it, ascending. All right, so I'm just gonna have to clear that, but that has already been added to the field. All right, so so I can go ahead and, of course, track the progress, all right, using that. So once they're done with any tasks, they can, of course, fill out those fields and just click on any, so I can, of course, have an idea of what my team members are doing. So these are actually essence of fields. Just use them to monitor the project to see how that project is going. So you can go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.